In this video today, I'm going to answer all your most frequently asked questions about agency on POPPOLIVE. In case you are new and you don't know, Poppo is a new live streaming platform that rewards its users with amazing incentive and benefits. So just watch this video till the end and I'm going to explain to you how you can benefit from this live streaming platform. So the first question on my list right here is Elisha, and he's asking, when you become an agent, do they give the invitation link to the agent which you will be using to invite new hosts? So yes, when you become an agent, people can join your agency in two ways. Number one, they can just simply, you can advise them that they can just go on the Poppo app, click on settings, and from there you just click join agency, and then you put the person, the host, the new host will put your ID, like in my own case now, 3557180. Then the person will just click on join and voila, the person have joined agency. And in case you're asking, okay, how do you invite agents on the platform? So if there's anybody that is under your agency and the person wants to now become an agent, all you will do is you can click on your agent, then you click invite agency, and then you copy your invite agency link to be able to give to that host that has quit your agency to become an agent. Okay, so that is how that one works. So the second question with me right here is, Ma, please add me to your agency. Please, I'm new on Poppo. I downloaded it. Okay, so if you want to join my agency, I've done a video on that. I'll link it in the description of this video, or meanwhile, just simply click on settings, join agency, and put my Poppo ID. So the next question here is, please, Ma, as an agent, how can you buy coins at a cheaper rate and sell? Yes, I've done a video on how to buy and sell coins on a cheaper rate on the POPPOLIVE app. I will drop the link in the description of this video, or you better still, you can just ask me here so that I will just give you the link to that video. So the next question right here is, I register and become an agent and I want to resolve it and join your agency. Please, how do I go about that? So if you don't even have to resolve, like if you become an agent and you did not meet up, Poppo is going to dissolve you automatically. And if there are a few people that are under your agency, they will just distribute them to your top agent, like the person that refer you to become an agent. So those people that you bring under, you will join them. So you can as well just join my agency. And if you're an agent, you decide you can't even wait for them to dissolve you, you can write to them that you are no longer interested. So the next question is, how to become an agent without link from any agent? Okay, so the way the platform works, I want to expatiate a bit on this. You using somebody's referral link to become an agent does not automatically place you that you are under the person. An agent is an agent. Like, you can refer someone today. I have a lot of people that I refer on this platform today that they are doing far much more better than me. That does not mean that they are under me. The only thing is I earn little commission for the fact that I am the one that refer them to the app or to become an agent. So even if you use somebody else's referral link, that does not make you to be under somebody. An agent is an agent, okay? And if you want to become an agent, the link to sign up to become an agent is in the description of this video. So the next question is, can someone who is under an agent invite other people who is going to, and if that is the case, who is going to earn the money of the referral? Okay, so even if you are under an agency, you can refer people even if you are not yet an agent, and you, the referral person, you are the person that is going to get 100% the commission for referring someone. The fact that you are under somebody's else's agency does not mean that you share whatsoever you make. So you can be a host under agency and then you refer people, and it's not hard at all. I've explained in this video in detail how you can make a lot of money even without becoming an agency or becoming an agent by simply referring people to the platform. So the next question is, hi sis, please help me how to become an agent. It's simple. in the comment section and in the description. I will drop a link, and I've explained it in this video. And meanwhile, for those that are interested, or some people that are already agents but you don't know how you can make money, or how agents make money, or how the referral works, the commission, the way the commission is coming in and all that, I've made this video. You really need to watch if you are an agent or you are aspiring to become an agent. Please give this video a like. I will appreciate that. So the next question is, must you get to a certain level to become an agent on the POPPOLIVE? Yes and no. If you are a lady, you don't have to get to a certain level. You can register and become an agent. You can register you can register on the platform first, then use this link to become an agent if you are a lady. But you should also know that it is extremely important you understand the app before you become an agent. Because if you do not understand the app, you end up wasting time and you might not maximize the benefit of becoming an agent. So that is why I strongly advise people, if you join the app, from level 1, don't just become an agent. Do little exchange, grow up, understand how the app works, so that when you become an agent, you can also explain to people under your agency how to make money, how to withdraw, how to play game, how to do exchange, how to level up, and all that. All these that I'm mentioning, I have done videos on it, and I'll drop it in the description of this video, the complete playlist of the videos I do on POPPOLIVE, and as well as a playlist to videos I did on how to play game on the POPPOLIVE app. Okay, but for the guys, that's why I said yes and no. The guys, you cannot become an agent until we get to level 10. Even if you register to become an agent, you cannot open a panel if you have not get up to level 10. So that's why, as for the guys, I strongly advise you level up, you grow your wealth level to get to level 10 before you become an agent on the POPPOLIVE. I can see some of you blushing. I actually fixed my nails and my eyelashes. Duh. So the next question is, can I ask if how to dismiss an agency? Can you make also a video about this? Thank you. So if you want to dismiss if you don't want to become an agency again, you can just write to Popo, okay, that you don't want to become an agency. And if what it means you mean here is how you can remove a host under your agency, is just simple. For you to remove a host, all you need to do is to click on agent and then click on host. Then you tap this little arrow here, then you click on remove. When you click on host, you see the name of the host, then you tap the arrow in front of the person's name, and then you click on remove host. That is how you can remove host under your agency. The next question is, sorry ma, I mistook registration link to agent link. I need the registration link, please. It's in the comment section and in the description. The next question is, hello ma, my question is, when someone is new and that person is trying to be an agency, if that person didn't have up to 5 person that is coming online every day, they will terminate. Are they going to terminate that person, agents? So what about the persons that have reached level 10 before they become an agent? Is it still the same thing? Please let me know. So yes, it doesn't matter even if you are in level 10, level 20. If you don't meet up, you don't meet up. Okay, rules are rules. So that's why even the agency is not for everyone. If you know you cannot be able to bring people, you will not be able to educate people, to explain to people, to open panel, okay, that means being an agent is not for you. Even though there's a lot of money that is attached to being an agency, especially running an agency, especially if you understand the app very well. It really pay well if you are patient enough, okay, and you can watch those that are successful like Mua and see what we do. Internet have make it easy now. There's no any secrets. If you see me doing well, that means if you go through what I do, you definitely see and copy me. The sky is big enough for us all to fly. So yes, even if you are in level 100, if you do not meet up, you do not meet up, darling. So the next question is, I was an agent before, but I dissolved my agency because most of them were not active. Can I become an agent again? No. that is a capital no for that, because I have seen few persons that at first they did not really even understand much, so all they know is that they heard that agents make more money and they decided to register and become agents without knowing that there are some demand, there are other things you need to fulfill. So without getting that, they dissolve them. They didn't even know. So when they are now ready and understood the app very well, it was already too late. So if you know that you did not understand, ask question. That is why this video is a must for everyone that want to become an agent. Okay, the next question I have here is, when you become an agent, do they give the invitation link to the agent which you will be using to invite new hosts? Yes, there is. The moment you become an agent, there are a lot of benefits with that. You can start selling coins, and yes, you can invite people. So all you need to do is click on agent, click on invite agency, and then you now copy the link and then share it with the person that want to become an agent. And to those that are new, okay, in the description of this video and in the comment section, I'm going to drop two links. The first one, I will say this is link to join Poppo. The second one, this is link to register to become an agent. I will drop again, this is full playlist videos on POPPOLIVE. So that means video that explain to you how to sign up, videos that explain to you, and I'm going to drop another playlist. I'll say this is full playlist on games, because you can also make money playing games. There are different ways. For me to have done almost 75 videos on this platform, that means it is deep and it is beneficial. I'm going to drop it in the description of this video and in the comment section. So if you have another question, please go ahead and ask. As you can see, I took my time to explain to you all the frequently asked questions. So use in the comment section, use the link. Thank you so much. Ask questions, share the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. For on this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.